So today I have been wanting to make some onion jam. Today we're going to make some burgers. Now we don't have the actual bacon, but we have a lot of bacon grease. But we got to go ahead and do the prep work. Slice the onions up first. This is about the one time where it's acceptable to smell like onions is when you're cooking with them.
Yes indeed, I second that.
Now the only thing with using just the bacon fat itself is you're not going to have the actual like texture from the actual bacon, but it's going to still give the same flavor. You're just not going to have the texture of the real bacon pieces. So we're going to do a half a cup to start out with, because it's a lot of onions. Yeah. So just by jizzing it, I may need to add some more bacon grease, but let's just start out with this first, because these onions are going to shrink down. Now to help these onions sweat down a lot faster, we just going to add a little bit of salt to this. That's also going to give it some flavor. Okay, so give them a little second, let them cook, and then I'm gonna add a couple more things to this, but I'm gonna let this sweat down some before we add something else. I have the heat on a medium high, and to this we're just going to splash a couple shakes of the Worcestershire sauce in here. And I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and a little bit of cayenne for a little spice. Hush it. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's looking. You see how much it has shrunk down, but this is not the end goal. Come on, camera, focus. Okay, so I'm going to let it continue to cook a lot more until it really becomes soft. Just make sure you keep moving it so it doesn't stick, especially since we didn't added those seasonings in there, and it's going to be good to go in a minute. Now just imagine if we had some real bacon up in here. You can actually see like the chunky pieces of bacon. So we almost to that finish line, and what I like to do is just flatten it out so that way they can cook. And the good thing is with these onions, it's going to turn from a raw bitter taste to a nice sweet caramelized flavor. So the longer you let them cook, the sweeter they're going to taste. Now some of these pieces are still a little bit big. Those are the ones that I'm really waiting to melt down, but it's looking really good, you guys. Now once they're done, I can still drain some of this bacon grease off. So if it's looking like too much for you, don't worry. We just trying to infuse it with the flavor. I'm gonna give them about another 10 more minutes. Okay, so I turned these down on low at this point because I wanted to kind of like slow walk them. But do y'all see how the color has changed? Now it is a nice rich like burgundy color to it. I wish I could smell this. What The Rock used to say, if you can smell what The Rock is cooking, this ain't nothing to play with right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and find, I don't know, these little pieces. I'm going to just take them out because they're taking too long. Like on this side it's fine, but on the other side I'm just gonna keep it on this side so it can cook down. So the onions are now draining. I just have them in this little strainer right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the burgers. So the next time you see the jam, it's gonna be right on top. Y'all ready to eat? But you can see how it looks like a nice rich, and it's chunky looking, right? So it kind of like looks like jam. That's exactly how you want it to be. And that was the right amount of onions. It filled up this whole little strainer right here. So all of that grease is going right in the bowl.